playing tie-dye, guys. And we have a special guest with us today. Who do we have with us today, Jannah?
Auntie Moe!
Yay! We have our Auntie Moe with us today. Hi, Auntie Moe.
Hi, everyone.
All right. Are you guys ready to get started?
Yes.
Let's get started.
My heart is yours.
You want to have fun with me? Then press the button.
So step one, we're just going to soak the shirts and wring them out. Get them nice and damp. Okay. All right, so everybody has their shirts all damp and wet and ready to go. So now we're going to fold our shirts the way we want to add the dye onto them. We're just turning it, guys, making it a nice little, tight, what is this called?
A spiral.
A spiral.
I can get this one.
Spiral.
But I don't know how to tweet.
So we have Jannah's shirt in a nice spiral. And now we're just going to add rubber bands.
Rubber band?
Yes.
Make it nice and tight.
Oh, look, my head
Alright, so we got Jannah's.
And you have the rubber band. Let me help you. Then you can have colors.
So do you know what colors you want to use?
Blue and pink.
Blue and what happened to the yellow?
Yellow.
And mixed up with this one.
Okay, so you're gonna add those to the yellow.
Yeah. But
Okay.
just a little bit. Mommy didn't say a lot.
Just a little bit.
Not a lot. The yellow water can be all gone.
Yeah, we just want to do a little bit so that we won't use all the dye on one shirt, okay?
Yeah.
We want everybody to have equal opportunity, okay?
What's your name?
I'm doing Jalil's shirt.
Yeah. So everybody.
I'm doing it
should-
right or wrong?
No.
Oh. I thought you were making that face for me. I'm like, hold on, I could have sworn this is what she did.
Just put the rubber
Cause
band.
I done did something else. But I don't know what this is, but
I want to do
We're going to hope for the best.
it's tie-dye. You can't go wrong with that.
As long as it's tied up nice. We got a nice tight rubber band on there somewhere.
Somewhere. You drop the rubber band.
And we should be good to go. Alright. So I think this is Jalil's. Alright.
Alright, girl, you gonna have a
A
tie-dye short
little
set.
two-piece set.
Ooh. I may have to let you make me one.
The shorts back to the water.
Yes.
Yeah. Ooh, we get a bag. Yay. What's your little? Oh, he is have monsters. Oh, look at the monster. Yeah, Lola. He's gonna catch him, Mom. No, don't get me. Don't get me. The monster's gonna eat the work.
Don't eat the work.
Don't eat
All
the
the hard work.
Right. Alright. You ready to get started?
Yay!
Let's get started.
Okay, what color we gonna use first?
I like yellow.
Yellow.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
So use your yellow.
Amarillo.
Amarillo. Good job.
Amarillo. What is what yellow means? Amarillo.
Good job, Jannah. I'm scared, y'all. I don't want it to come out looking crazy. I think I'm gonna do blues for Jalil. What's blue, Jannah?
What's blue?
What's blue?
Azul.
Yeah. You wanna do yellow? Okay.
What's mine at?
Okay, this one's yours. So this is your shirt. So you wanna do yellow in this section right here. Give it a little shake. And then you're gonna pour the yellow right in this one section right there. Okay?
There's a little bit red on there.
Yeah, it's so pretty, Jannah. And then we need the purple after Auntie Mahassan's done, okay? Let's see how hers is coming along.
That's good.
Oh, thank you. Can I take it up?
Yeah, you got it? Careful, Jannah. Be careful. Okay, good job. Top right there. Okay, got it.
I got it.
All right, now purple right here.
Just one. Yeah, I think
And
that's
I need
good.
blue too.
Hold on, you don't have no space for blue, Jannah. Hold on, where's the top? Right here. Okay, so your shirt is done. So let's put that over here. Alright. And then you need your purple. I like your colors, Jannah. They're very summery.
Yeah, they're very summery because I like green and purple and there's a lot of colors I can do.
That's very pretty.
And I have a lot of colors to do in my life. And everybody's shirt is going to mess up.
Let's put a little more.
What are you saying?
I just threw in it and it looked like a rainbow.
Alright, Jannah. So
Uh-oh.
you are done.
Mama!
You got your whole outfit, Jannah.
Whole outfit.
We gotta pick a date when we're gonna wear our outfit.
I know. Lil's
Done!
done.
Yeah! That's blue and
Oh, girl, she making UM colors. Them
That's pretty.
orange and green. Go you!
yeah, that's a different color.
You gotta put up the sign. You gotta put up the
Put
U
some
sign
more
like
green in
this.
there.
Look, Jannah. You gotta go like this. Red right here. Here you go.
Let's keep the tops together, guys, because it's already hard to tell.
Who missing the top?
Whoever was using orange.
I was using orange.
So where's the top?
But I was using that because I was using
Okay,
that
but where did you do with the top? Here you go.
down there. See?
Here
See
you
what I mean?
What you mean?
I know, right? See what I mean?
Okay.
So it says 6 to 8 hours, so tomorrow. Rinse it out and make sure. Alright, apply the shirt. I'm scared. Okay guys, so we are satisfied with how our mask changed. So we're gonna go ahead and cut off the rubber bands and rinse.
Are we cutting or taking off? Because I don't see.
We don't need to cut them. We're just gonna go ahead and take them off. I got a little spiral going on.
When you got a spiral, I don't know
Look,
what
I
I
got a
got.
spiral.
Okay.
Sorta.
Mine ain't getting no spiral, but it got something.
Can you guys see this?
My heart